Shifting our focus to Grok now, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued a notice to Elon Musk's own platform X, which was previously known as Twitter, asking it to immediately remove vulgar and unlawful content, especially those generated by its AI tool Grok. The government raised concerns over Grok producing and circulating obscene, sexually explicit and derogatory content, particularly targeting women and children. It called this a serious violation of dignity, privacy and digital safety. The ministry has directed X to review Grok's technical and governance framework, remove all illegal content and take action against offending users. The platform has been asked to submit an action taken report within 72 hours, failing which action may be taken under IT laws. So we have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta joining us live right now. Payal, good morning and thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. So this is a very important notice which, sheds light on AI accountability and platform responsibility most importantly. So has X responded or sought time to comply yet? And if not, how do you think they're going to respond to this?
Well, X does not have any options, Sukanya. They will have to comply with the laws of the land, and the laws of the land, provide for security and dignity of women and children, etc. as well. So here to begin with, X will have to remove all that content which has violated the laws of the land. There are intermediary guidelines that are actually there in place for all the social media platforms. They have to comply with that, otherwise they lose that shield which will allow them to be protected from being taken action against. For example, if they do not remove the content in 72 hours, they are liable to face the wrath of the Indian laws as well. That is something which is not there in anybody's mind. There should be no doubt in anybody's mind about that as well. But this comes to the fore at a very crucial juncture when Member of Parliament from UBD, Priyanka Chaturvedi, just yesterday had written to the IT Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, saying that there has to be something which has to be done because there are many people whose dignity is being violated, because there are certain options available within the AI space of Grok, which of course is as an extension of the social media platform X, which allows you to make certain transformations. It allows you to convert photographs into videos. But there were many people who were trying to, use this in a negative sense, so they have to be taught a lesson. So the IT Ministry has immediately responded to that and, of course, issued a notice to X.
Right. Pallavi, you're right, actually. People were using it to make these disgusting videos, photos, etc. Payal. So, but what specific provisions of the IT Act were violated? And also, could this lead to penalties or restrictions of Grok usage in India? Payal?
Look, there are very clear norms which are in place, which actually there are intermediary guidelines that every social media platform signs up for so that they can operate in the country as well. So those are the guidelines. They are actually the shield that is provided to the social media platforms just in case they come in the wrath of the law. So for example, they have to in fact get back and first remove the content in 72 hours, failing which further action can really be taken. There are well-defined norms which are there, and they can actually face the wrath of the Indian Penal Code if they do not, adhere to the social media guidelines.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for sharing that very crucial information with us, Payal.